Giving them a hug.
We can go through, can't we?
Can we go through?
That's open, isn't it? What? It's open. He's a big lad now.
I know. He's still a guest till he's gone. It's
Doors closing.
at least they don't smell.
That's shards, don't know what's going on.
Has it? And off at the house.
So you've got plenty of time.
Just relax, it's alright.
Got 6 minutes.
Platform.
5.
Doors opening.
No. It's on this side. I'm saying to Glasgow Central. Yeah, the other one's coming.
1931, London Houston, Edinburgh, 1938.
Yeah.
1938.
Saying 8:15. It's about 7:30. You're going to have to go and park the van somewhere.
I'll bring my sit back with you now. I'll wait till you return. Need video on us there, Charlie. You don't like it. Look at him smiling now.
You'll see that when you get home tonight on the channel.
I thought he had 2 bowling balls. I thought, God, he's strong carrying them. Your coach B, seat 56. Charlie, can you hear me?
Aye.
Coach B, seat 56.
Hey, madam. Yeah, it's Coach B.
You're in this one. And you're looking for seat 56. See you soon, love. Take care.
Yep.
Message me when. Oh. Message me. Message me when you get home.
Yep.
Service to Liverpool Line Street. Corner 3, Garwood,
When you get in, I'll lift it up to you. You get in.
Eccleston Park, Prescott, Python, Roby, Broad Green, Wavertree Technology Park, Edge Hill and Liverpool Line Street. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Big wave, Charlie.
See you later.
Take care, love. See you soon.
See you, Charles. Shocking.
He said he'd message when he gets back, so we'll see him later.
Yeah.